Good day, my name is Amos of Forex, and today is the 22nd of the 1st, 2024. It's a follow-up on the video I made yesterday on the pattern that I used to take Forex market. This is forming right now on Euro Dollar, and let's dive into it. Yeah, as you can see, I'm on Euro Dollar 4-hour time frame. Euro Dollar 4-hour time frame. Right, Euro Dollar 4-hour time frames, somewhere there. Yep, you can see it right there at the bottom. So I'm on Euro Dollar 4-hour time frame. And as I said, I use 4-hour time frame to spot the pattern and use 15 minutes to execute the trade. So as I said to you yesterday, market move in three forms. So that the market is downward, which is this one, in the range, which is this one, upward, uptrend, which is not forming yet, which happened in the past. So what am I putting out to you here? I said to you yesterday in the other video that I make that if just of a sudden a market stall, as it happens here, stall, this market, move down, return and stall, then move down again and pull back to that area. Once you see that, that's when you started to look for trading. That is where you have to concentrate now to look for short trade. And that's what is happening. The market refused to go down, to go up rather, and return, and refuse to go up again. You can see the little wicks there. So in this area, you switch to your 15-minute time frame. Switch to your 15-minute time frame, which we will do now. So you see down here, Euro Dollar 15 minutes time frame. So I switch to my 15 minutes time frame because I replicate what is happening on 4 hours. What did you see? Right? What did you spot here? Double top. Double top. That's what is there. As we said, we look for double top. Once you see that formation on our 4 hours time frame, then we look for double top and then look for short trade. Right? So in this case now, we will take our trade here, somewhere here to short. If you measure that, it will be like 10 pips or so. As I said, I want to buy very cheap. See, that's 7, 6. I put 5 extra always to make it, give it a space in case you got any spike. So 10, looking for 15 pips or 20 pips. Look at that, it's 20 pips. Let's say you miss this one. Let's say you miss this entry. If you miss that entry, let me clear it up, please. Let me clear it up 1 second. Let's say you miss that entry here. You see, what did you see here again? You see another double top, even triple. You will take your trade here. This is a live trade now. It's happening right now. As you can see, the market is sticking. This is a live trade. You will enter another trade here. You'll be targeting whatever, maybe 1-to-2 ratio or 1-to-1.5 ratio. It depends on you. I just want to say to you and share with you that this pattern works, but you need to be patient. The only thing is that you have to be patient. As I said, one candle on 4 hours is, is 4 hours. It makes sense. 4 hours is one candle here on this time frame. 4 hours, as I say, its name is 4 hours. So it's 4 hours the candle. So it may take you 1 day or 1.5 days before you can spot an entry. So once here on 4 hours, you see the market is behaving this way, you'll be on your 15 minutes and you'll be looking for double top. See, it's doing this pullback here, pullback and do the top, so it takes a trade and you'll be out in no time. Thanks for watching. Please share if you like, and if you think I need to, improve or anything, please advise. Thank you for watching. Bye.